Hi, welcome once again to your channel Generous, Gracious and Gallant. I'm your host Dr. Ghosh and I'm here today with another awe-inspiring story for you. For those of you who are visiting the channel Generous, Gracious and Gallant for the first time, let me share with you that we started Generous, Gracious and Gallant in 2015 on Facebook, where today there are about 825 members. On WhatsApp we have about 120 members, and on YouTube, which we started in May 2020, about 103 plus subscribers. The objective of Generous, Gracious and Gallant is to share with you the best stories of mankind and daily inspiration. This is to enable you to put your best foot forward in your daily life. And for those who are already my subscribers, I wanted to repeat once again a heartfelt thank you from me. Coming back to our story, today I am sharing with you a story about Harriet Tubman, a slave who escaped to freedom and in turn was responsible for leading to freedom through the Underground Railway over 70 such slaves like herself. Overall, she is credited directly and indirectly with being responsible for freeing 300 slaves. Not only this, she joined the Union Army, worked as a cook and nurse there, later became a spy, armed spy, and led a raid which was responsible for freeing 700 slaves during the American Civil War. The name of this awe-inspiring lady was Harriet Tubman, who was later given the name of Minty or Moses, as she was fondly called as by her friends, family and other slaves who she was responsible for freeing. Minty was born in 1822 in Maryland in a plantation to a slave family. At a young age of 5, she was put to work in the house and also loaned to neighboring plantation families to work in the house. At a young age of 12, she was put on to the back-breaking work of working in the field. At the age of 27, in 1849, she escaped to neighboring Pennsylvania, a free state. Most probably this was by using the Underground Railway, which was a secret network of slaves and people who supported freedom of the slaves. These were called as abolitionist sympathizers. The conductors in this Underground Railway were these sympathizers and slaves who had already become free to help more slaves find their freedom. When she went to Pennsylvania, Harriet Tubman changed her name to Moses, Misty or Harriet. Thereafter, in 1850, a tough law was introduced which was called as the Fugitive Slave Act of 1850, which forced free states to return these slaves who had run away to freedom, and also people who helped them had to face severe penalties. Despite all of this, Harriet Tubman, for the next 11 years between 1850 to 1861, made 13 trips and helped over 70 slaves, including her own family members, escape. She was indirectly responsible for another additional 300 slaves to escape to the Free States. The plan she adopted was to go to plantations on autumn and winter nights, where the nights were longer, especially on Saturday evenings, where Sunday being a day of rest, the escaped slaves would not be noticed till Monday morning, and this would give additional time for her to lead these slaves to freedom. Even the publications were delayed till Monday evening of the escaped slaves in newspapers, which gave an additional 48 hours for Harriet to help plan the escape of these slaves. She is known to have never ever lost a slave who she was helped escaping to the Free States. Not only was she directly responsible for 300 slaves finding freedom, she also was the first woman to lead in the American Civil War an armed raid where she was directly responsible for freeing up 700 additional slaves. During the Civil War, she worked as a cook, nurse, and also later as an armed scout and spy during the American Civil War. It is also to be noted that after the American Civil War, she took on a role as a civil activist to help women gain the right to vote. She died on 10th March 1913. America announced in 2016 that her photograph would be put on American currency. She will forever stand out for her selflessness, courage, and love for freedom. Her hallmarks will remain her guts and desire to help other slaves become free. Friends, if you like the amazing stories of truly awe-inspiring people which I bring to you, I request you to please press the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you will have a notification for every awe-inspiring video which I bring for you on your channel, Generous, Gracious and Gallant. Also, I wanted to share with you that I am a strong proponent of the concept of difference to one. That means not all of us can make a difference to many people, but all of us definitely can stand up, be counted and make a difference to one person. You never know where the ripples of your kindness will end up. These are strong, dangerous times of COVID-19. We all need to be standing up as mankind, as human beings, be counted against the battle, the war against COVID-19. Lakhs have lost their livelihood, lakhs have lost their lives. It's time for mankind to unite and for all of us to stand up, be counted and make a difference to one. Your difference, your act of kindness will help us win the battle against COVID-19. So till we meet again with another awe-inspiring story on your favorite channel, Generous, Gracious and Gallant, I request you to please stand up, be counted against this battle of mankind against COVID-19. Till we meet again, please stay safe, maintain social distancing, wear a mask and be safe. Till we meet again with another awe-inspiring story. Good luck, all the best, make a difference to one. Thank you.